6 types of meditation. There are so many different types of meditation. How many? Enough for you to find the one that's right for you. To get started, here are 6 types of meditation you can try. 1. Breath watching. Can meditating be as simple as paying attention to your breath for a few minutes? You bet. Relax in whatever position works best for you, close your eyes and start to pay attention to your breathing. Breathing through your nose gets your diaphragm involved and gets oxygen all the way to the bottom of your lungs. As your mind wanders, just refocus your attention on the air going in and out of your nose. Just do this for several minutes, or longer as you get used to it. 2. Empty mind meditation. Meditating can create a kind of awareness without object, an emptying of all thoughts from your mind. The techniques for doing this involve sitting still, often in a full lotus or cross-legged position, and letting the mind go silent on its own. It can be difficult, particularly since any effort seems to just cause more business in the mind.